this way to Kidzania. Kidzania? Oh, Kidzania rin. Dito na Kidzania.
So this will be your boarding passes, kindly present at our checkpoint area. And then this will be your checks. So you have to encash this at our back side. So this will be your first activity.
Hindi pa naman ganun. That's your money. Got your money? Got your money? Alright, come on, learn to budget your money. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. This is nice idea. So na sila yung mga tudloan sila, tapos na rin sila yung task na buhaton. So kanina nag-deliver sila. Alright, they're good. Yeah, show me money, come on. Right, make.
I don't know what you want.
Thank you.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.
We are rescuing something.
My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Welcome to the Hippest and Hottest show here in MOR.
Playing music chosen by you, our listeners.
MOR's
Top 5 Hit List.
This is RJ Raver.
And this is RJ Tick.
We are your on-air talents for today, and we are bringing you the best in Kidzania's music scene. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.
my love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the
Pwede ito papapayat eh, no?
like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall, my love. If you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side.
Alright, so 30 minutes na lang before magsara sila kay 2 PM raman. So nakasulod ako mga anak sa Coca-Cola bottlers. So nakikipabutang diri nga ipasulat kung para asa nilang Coke. So gisulat sa kondo ka anak para sa family pero na ay options. Not daddy, except daddy. Ang kondo para sa family except for daddy, not daddy. So kabalogi sila nga di ko pwede na sugar. Come on. Water lang yung tani, my God. Alright, that's it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
You're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar,